In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how people who know very little about trading stock or trading in the Forex market still make a profit each week. Welcome to the Education Matrix channel, where we talk about U.S. taxes and exotic currencies, mostly the IQD, the Malaysian ringgit, and the Vietnam dong. In this series of the Forex market for IQD investors, I have shared the traits of exotic currencies on the Forex market and the basic glossary of words that you need to understand before getting started. Now it's time to learn how to implement these easy, simple methods in order to pretty much always, earn a profit. However, you can lose your initial investment. But let's talk about how to limit any losses. This channel recommends IQ Option. Now, IQ Option is a great site, popular and easy to navigate, yet this site is not for everyone. For one thing, they are huge. When I say huge, I mean 25 million customers and counting. You can trade commodities, including oil, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and exotic, major, and minor currencies. One reason IQ Option is so popular is because you can open an account for as little as $10, lose it or grow it. I will show you how to grow your Forex account with limited losses now. Regardless of which platform you start out on, the words risk management and the words like stop loss, take profit, negative balance protection, and trailing stop. These are words and tabs that you want to find on a Forex trading platform. If a platform does not have these functions, move on to another platform quickly. IQ Option has these features plus the Follow Me Trading feature. This is where you select an expert trader and you do what he or she does. Usually, the site will provide details on the Follow Me traders, their history, earnings, and losses. You make a decision based on their profits if you want to follow them or not. Remember, some of these Follow Me traders are worth 10 million plus US dollars, whereas you may be worth considerably less. Therefore, remember to trade a percentage of your account balance that fits your budget. Now, if you are holding Iraqi dinars, Vietnam dong, Malaysian ringgit, or the Zimbabwe currency, you are already a foreign currency investor. The Forex market is where the big boys play and trade over 4 billion US dollars a day. Remember this, you will always be safe or safer if you treat the Forex trading like a business. Create policies for your self-control. Rinse, repeat. Take emotions out of the game and trade like a professional, even if it's only a $10 trade. The link to set up a $10 account is in the description. The site has its own educational section. Please take advantage of this feature. You want to take advantage of the Follow Me option, but you decide how and who you want to follow. Regardless of what anyone says, you can do this. You can follow the best of the best. Now let me tell you about Follow Me Trade on IQ Option. You will need to pay your expert a percentage of your profits, and that's only fair. However, he or she doesn't pay you anything if there is a loss.